11S has recently been named in the Australian region after it formed as an area of interest 2 days ago and is expected to become a strong tropical cyclone. 11S currently has winds of 40 miles per hour and a pressure of 996 millibars. It should have already been named Freddie, honestly, but what do I know about meteorology? A lot. It's moving south-southwest at 5 miles per hour. Here is its current location at 12 degrees S, 118.5 degrees east. It is north of Australia right now. It's in between Australia and Indonesia, and it is a very, very, very small storm right now. Here's the forecast, and see, I wasn't lying. Forecasting, both us and official agencies like the JTWC are forecasting a Category 3 at peak in about 2 days. And in about 12 hours time from now tonight, we're expecting a close to high-end tropical storm, and by tomorrow morning, we're expecting a Category 1. And then it's going to gradually weaken, but it's going to hover around upper Category 1, lower Category 2 status for multiple days. I just hope it doesn't last as long as Darian did, because Darian blew the crap out of me. Also, this is not Shimiso anymore, this is 11S, and I forgot to change this. And here's the current wind field. It doesn't have a southeast quadrant, but for the parts it does have, look how small it is. For comparison, it's about the size of this island right here in Papua New Guinea. That island is about, I'd say 20 to 25 miles wide, and here we are on GFS, so you can see 11S right there. As you can see, within, like I said, today's the 6th, so by this time tomorrow, it's at 985 millibars. That's either a high-end tropical storm or a Category 1, and then it just keeps deepening, eventually peaking at 956 millibars, which would be a Category 3. If not, that would be strong Category 2. People are saying that this could potentially become a Category 4. I wouldn't quite say that yet. Unless this thing pulls a Darian and jumps 100 miles an hour in 12 hours, then I wouldn't give much faith into that. 100 miles an hour in 24 hours, but still. Yeah, unless this jumps 100 miles an hour in 24 hours like Darian did, I don't think we're going to have a Cat 4. Because if you remember Darian, it was 30 miles an hour the morning of the 19th, December 19th. It was a 30 mile an hour tropical depression. The next morning, it was a 140 mile an hour Category 4. But I don't think that is the same storm right there. This isn't the same storm in the Southwest Indian Ocean. This is the area of interest that we've been tracking for multiple days. But still, this one does end up getting strong too. Down to 964 millibars. That's probably either a strong Category 2 or a Category 3. So, yeah. So we're predicting 2 Category 3s in the next 2.5 weeks. That would be not a very good time. Alright, well here's the satellite imagery when the computer works. Alright, so here's the satellite imagery. You can see very strong cloud tops with some good rotation going there. You can see the convection, the rotation. Very, very, very strong cloud tops in some of those frames right here. Like right here, that's minus 90 degree cloud tops. Yeah, that's very, very high cloud tops. Also, the storm just overall looks decent. You see how ragged it was 12 hours ago. So this was 12 hours ago, I think, before it was designated a tropical storm status, and this is it now. You can see a significant difference in how well defined it looks, how better structured it is. And the cloud tops obviously are much higher on that first frame. The highest cloud tops are around minus 80, and then here, the highest cloud tops are around minus 90, maybe pushing minus 95. Yep, so that was the update on Cyclone 11S. Like and subscribe.